Hey, so welcome back. And you probably were thinking about or you watched the Belong To video, and you were like, wait, doesn't make sense. Like, sure, pets have owners, but owners also have pets. So why don't we add in, like, why can't owners own their pets? Well, they can. So if we think about owning pets as the same exact thing as pets having owners, it's essentially an adder accessor, and we're going to put here pet. That's it. That's all you need to do. So let's test this out. And I am going to test it out with, there's Ruth. Actually, I'm going to just take it from here because it makes life so much easier. There. And then I'm going to do that for pet new. Here. Okay. Awesome. And I'm just going to add something a bit different. We're going to put Ruth pet equals Diana. So if you notice here, will be the same Diana here. And then Ruth.pet, which should give us something very similar to this, except I should say pet here. Pet here, and this should say name. Diana, and then just do that. I think you get the gist of this. Okay, great. So what I'm going to do this. Okay, we see it's empty. Then gives us that. Let's make sure that's correct. Right, awesome. We're not going to do create the pet Diana because we need to actually create the pet Diana before that happens. Alright, that works. See, okay, it works. Awesome. Essentially, if you're seeing everything here, you know it works. Okay, it is owning. Remember, when we do Diana.owner equals Ruth, it is saying that Diana.owner is holding the object Ruth, right? So then when you call upon Diana.owner, it's going to call upon the object. So that's why you're able to use the full name method in the object. Okay, so then now, great. So if you see here, pet, awesome. And then when you call upon that pet, you'll see that the pet name is Diana, type cat. You'll even see the owner. This is so meta, it's so cool. And then it goes in and then. So then if you did Ruth.pet.name, you'll get Diana. If you did Ruth.pet.type, you'll get cat. I wonder if you did Ruth.pet.owner, what you'll get. You'll get the owner. Ruth.pet.owner.name. I don't know. Oh, because we don't have a name. It's full name. Sorry. You get yourself. Oh, total meta. Hope that wasn't confusing. So anyways, let's get back on track. Alright, so now you're probably thinking like, Ruth,